Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
We bring you now an updated report on the murder of slain job seeker in Akwa Ibom State, the late Miss Iniubong Umoren. Legal practitioners in Akwa Ibom State look forward to fair hearing and quick dispensation of justice in the trial of suspected killer of slain job seeker, late Miss Iniubong Umoren. This follows the recent arraignment of Uduak Akpan and his father, Frank Akpan, before a high court in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom State capital.
In March 2021, late Miss Iniubong Umoren, a graduate of philosophy from the University of Uyo, applied for a job on Twitter. She was contacted by Uduak Akpan, who invited her for an interview at his father's residence in Uruan local government area of Akwa Ibom State. With no clues of her whereabouts or what might have happened to her, a close friend raised the alarm of Miss Umoren's safety. Police investigations led to the recovery of a lifeless body buried in a shallow grave right inside a compound owned by Uduak Akpan's father. In May 2021, Uduak Akpan, the suspected killer of Miss Umoren, was arrested and subsequently paraded alongside his father Frank Akpan. During interrogation, the prime suspect denied raping the deceased but admitted that he killed her in self-defense following a violent altercation that arose in the middle of an intercourse to which they both consented. Last week, Uduak Akpan, the first accused person, was arraigned before a state high court on a 3-count charge of murder, rape and accessory. When the charges were read before him, the murder suspect denied raping the deceased but admitted that he killed her. However, there was no lawyer to defend him in court. The second accused person, Frank Akpan, who is father of the prime suspect, denied a 1-count charge of accessory but did not also have a defense lawyer. This prompted the court to produce legal aid for the first accused person and enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf, pending determination of available facts in the matter.
In criminal prosecution, we rely on the evidence that's brought and from the investigation by the official investigators of the case. We've gone through all the investigation reports by all the security operatives that handled the investigation. Currently, the 2 people that have been arraigned today and charged are the people that we have sufficient evidence to prosecute them.
Section 33, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution provides that every person has a right to life and no one shall be deprived intentionally of his life save in execution of the sentence of a court in respect of a criminal offense of which he has been found guilty in Nigeria. If he is found guilty of the murder crime by the court, Uduak Akpan will be sentenced to death as provided in Section 402 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. However, the burden of proof is on his prosecutors to provide verifiable evidence that he actually committed the crime.
We are not here in these proceedings to seek vengeance. We are here in this court to seek justice. And be rest assured that justice in this matter will be served. But make no mistake, it's going to be justice according to law, not justice according to public opinion. For the proof is incumbent upon the accuser. How do we say it in law? Actori incumbit onus probendi.
It is for the court, based on findings, to now enter a judgment and say that the accused person is hereby, from the facts and evidence, convicted of murder, and then the sentencing is done accordingly. So we expect a expeditious trial.
August 18, 2021 has been fixed for continuation of the murder trial. In the meantime, several human rights groups in Akwa Ibom State have launched a campaign seeking justice for the slain 26-year-old Miss Iniubong Umoren. Justice delayed in the ongoing murder trial, they insist, would amount to justice denied.
Inside the Niger Delta,